Aloha and welcome to Cooking with Dino Mama. Today I am making TriloBites. Yep, carnivorous meat bites. This episode is not sponsored by anyone, and anything I use or that you see is what is available in my home or local grocery. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Chop up half of a white or yellow onion so it's ready to use. I advise getting a dinosaur to chop it for you to save yourself some tears. But sometimes if it's been in the fridge, the tears aren't too bad. Pour half a cup of rice in a bowl. Any type will do, but I used white. And mix in 1 pound of raw ground hamburger meat, ground beef or stegi meat if you have, since that's what T-Rexes would have used, and add the chopped onion. Combine it all together with your hand so all the loose rice gets mixed in. Season with some salt and pepper to taste. You can also add some garlic salt, about half a teaspoon of paprika, and half a teaspoon of chipotle, and mix again. Grease a casserole dish with some olive oil, then form into trilo balls and place in your greased dish. Recipe should make 12 to 15, depending on the size. Have you ever had a brown or a blue bird egg? Scientists discovered organic compounds inside the shells of oviraptorid eggs from the Cretaceous period. The protoporphyrin and biliverdin compounds are important to the coloration of eggshells, and by comparing the signatures to those of modern bird eggs, researchers were able to determine that oviraptorid eggs were a blue-green in color. How cool is that? And now, back to our trilobites. Pour 1 can of tomato soup and half a cup of water over the meatballs. Cover with foil and bake for 2 hours. And wow, these are so cool looking. Thank you for joining me today in Dino Mama's kitchen. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy, and remember, only nice people get dino meat.